What do you think, Patch? Oh, you're gonna leave a little deposit, huh? We're at Wendt Beach, and we just got here. Yes, we're going to the lake. The lake is over that way, and you can take the dog on the...
So someday when my ship comes in, I know just what we'll do. We'll pack our bags and quit our jobs and have a holiday for two. We'll pack our bags and quit our jobs and have a holiday for two.
We are at Wendt Beach. I don't know if I don't see it on the map here. We went to this one. We went to Lake Erie Beach yesterday, and we went to Sturgeon Point yesterday. Now we're at Wendt Beach. And there's trails and stuff here. Wendt Mansion. Oh, that's why they call it Wendt Beach. Okay. Wow. That must have been a house. That's cool. Look at that house over there. That must be the Wendt Mansion. Patch is in a hurry. Hold on, Patch. Boy, he knows where he wants to go. Yikes. The sand is hot. It is hot, hot, hot. It's hot, just like the beach in California.
Put your shoes on.
Come on, Patch. Let's get in the lake. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. It's nice. The water's... You've been in the ocean, Patch. This is nothing. It's not so bad. Come on. Come on. That's funny. Wow. Way over there somewhere is Buffalo, and then way over there is Canada. Oh boy. Found some shade up here. I tell you what, I don't know. I thought Arizona was hot. I'm just surprised it's so warm down there. It's humid. It's probably only like 85, 87, but the humidity is really high. We had rain this morning. It was nice and cool this morning, but it's warmed up this afternoon. And this is a nice little park here. It's an old, I guess that's the old Wendt house and stuff. Then they have this big park area. Beautiful park. Look at all the grass that needs to be mowed. Whew. What do you think, Patch? That sand was hot though, huh, Patch? Yeah, the sand was a little bit hot.